Hello everyone, I'm Christopher and this is Cyber Alaskan. Welcome back to the channel. I want to give you guys a quick update on everything that's going on down here in Georgia before heading back all the way up to Alaska. So let's get to it. I'm pretty much done packing today, other than a few odds and ends things. So now all I have to do is get my truck and my camper ready, and then I can load everything up, and in 2 weeks, I'll be out of here on the road back to Alaska. I'm gonna show you everything that I've packed. It's not a whole lot. If you don't wanna watch this part of the video, it's fine. Fast forward to the next step. Just a quick overview of everything that I bought and a little of the stuff that I've packed up so far, and then I'll do the outro. All right. So the first thing that I purchased a little while back, I had bought 2 tripods for both my phones. I have 2 phones, one for business, one for personal, and both of them are decent phones that have really nice cameras on them. Both of them are Samsung Galaxies. One's a S22 Ultra, and the new one is a S25 Ultra. So that's what those tripods are for. As you can see, I got some clothes laying here, some jackets mainly. I'm gonna pack up there. They're older, they were given to me, and I just wanna take them up there. So if anybody that comes up to visit, I have a little extra clothing just in case someone forgets something. Right here, I have my bow. I'm an archer. If you guys didn't know, probably not, since this is my second video. But I enjoy and I love archery, so I'm packing up my bow. I'll show that to you guys a little bit later. So the first thing I bought is a First Aid Plus gear repair set. It's a little dirty there. It was in my toolbox in the back of my truck. I bought this for obviously my phone for the truck to have a nice mount to talk to you guys from. I bought 2 air hoses. One's a 100 foot, one's a 50 foot. Very quality air hose. Got them on a good deal. I bought a M18 Fuel 1/2 inch drill driver and hammer drill driver with dual batteries for all those fixes that's probably going to have to happen on the road unexpectedly. So glad I got that. I also got a, let's see, this is the 1/2 inch, not the 3/8, so it's a 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench for getting that tire on and off using the 6-piece spline key set if I were to have to change a tire. Hopefully not. I'm pretty decent at driving, but you know how the Alaska roads can be. Got a Milwaukee, just drill bit set here. Open this up. Nice little decent set there. Obviously probably don't give 2 craps about it, but wanted to show you guys anyways. Some sockets, and I'll show you this later as I leave, but also got an Easy Lift Recurve adjustable sway control bar. And last but not least, take you to the DeWalt compressor / jump starter box. It's you know, they didn't have one in Milwaukee. I have no problems with DeWalt, so we'll see how this goes. I've always heard Milwaukee's a little better with a lot more juice in them, but you know, it's all they had at Home Depot at the time, and I needed to get it. So we'll see how this does, and hopefully it does. We don't need to use it too much, but if we do, I'll let you know how it goes. Also have that drill that come with the impact wrench here, and I think that's about it. Oh no, one more thing. Right here, obviously you gotta have a Starlink. If you don't have a Starlink, how are you going to be able to post those wonderful, amazing videos while you're out in the middle of the Alaskan bush, which I hope to be in quite a bit. So, or maybe not back in the bush, but far enough where I'm going to need a Starlink. So as long as I have a clear sky and a charged battery, should hopefully work for me. Other than that, just some stuff I'm packing up. Yeah, not a whole lot more going on. This is it. So as you know, this journey is going to be a long journey ahead, and I'm not going to be able to post every single day after a long day of driving. But the goal is, if you want to follow me in more of a live setting or manner, you can always go follow the social media accounts. I'll link them in the description below. But I'm Cyber Alaskan. on all social medias. So I got a call the other day from a buddy of mine who's currently living in Alaska, and he is going to fly down and help me drive back. So it's going to be me and him on this wonderful, wild journey ahead. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.